Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be unboxing our Learn Korean with BTS book package courtesy of the Korean Cultural Center Nigeria. So we got this lovely gift as Hallyu creators for successfully completing the Hallyu creators program organized by the Korean Cultural Center. And as BTS lovers and armies, we were so excited when we got this lovely gift. So this beautiful package was designed for those looking to learn Korean, especially for BTS fans. Yes, it was specifically designed for BTS fans who want to learn the Korean language in an interactive and fun way. So let's unbox. So the Learn Korean with BTS book package includes 4 books, 1 speaking pen, 1 micro USB cable and 2 Hangul keyboard sticker sheets, which we are going to be showing you all in this video. So first we'll be starting off with the speaking pen. Now, one of the key and unique features of this package is the speaking pen. The speaking pen helps students to know the right Korean pronunciation by listening to it instantly. It also has the ability to translate in English, Japanese and Spanish to help you understand easily. The camera on the multi-pen is equipped with an optical camera and it reads the encode. The pen is easy to use and produces clear sounds, and also the volume can be adjusted as well. So later on in this video, we'll be showing you all how it works. Next, we have the 4 Korean learning book sets. The book helps you learn basic Korean phrases you can use for traveling around Korea and about the colorful culture of Korea. The book has been developed and designed to help beginner Korean language learners improve their communication skills and broaden their understanding of the Korean culture, primarily based on BTS content. The books were also made to incorporate the Korean wave into the Korean language education. It comes in 4 beautiful colors, namely green, purple, yellow, and pink. Within the workbooks, there are QR codes that you can scan with your phone to watch BTS videos that will either help explain the lessons, give examples, or even be the lesson itself. The table of contents in the book set includes vocabularies, useful expressions, fun dialogues, pronunciation check, and listening and writing exercises. Lastly, we have the Hangul keyboard sticker sheets. The keyboard stickers comes in 2 beautiful colors, namely purple and black. The stickers is very easy to use. All you have to do is just place them on your computer keyboard and you're good to go. So now we'll be showing you guys how to make use of the BTS multi-pen.
English. Nihongo. Español. 한국어. Bella. Hora. Ten. English. Bella. Aura. Dan. 한국어. 아니요. 저는 니콜이 아니에요.
So guys, that's it for our unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching, and also don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to this channel for more educative, informative and interesting videos about the Korean and Nigerian culture. Bye.